It does not have a charging attachment. This is a manual model.
Right, okay.
But it does have that internal capability to do that.
Okay.
So it also has an audible alarm system built in for if it has a problem. In the owner's manual, it'll tell you what the differences are in those alarm sequences, because there'll be different sequences. And as far as the motor is concerned and its functionality is concerned, there's a whole menu right there. Gives you everything. As far as, you know, what the intervals are for service, what the oil is, spark plug, anything that needs to be done to the motor, right? The main things that you need to know about it, because it's brand new, is this.
Once you put it there, you don't have to take it out. Unless you have like to maintain or something. And the other one, you have to take like the entire half top off. Looks so. It's a pretty heavy motor. I think 100 pounds.
115.
115. For 15 horsepower. Got this on. It's really heavy, but it's not. It shouldn't be that hard. Alright.
Neutral.
So now we got this in, and we got our gas canister.
We adjusted this to the center. Now we are putting this gas tank temporarily here. So this was zipped out.
Should you open this a little?
Okay, this is a temporary setup until we get the permanent setup. Is there a hole here?
Yeah, there is. Yeah.
So let's try this. We are putting this for first time. Remove the thingy,
The rubber.
and this has to go here, this has to go here.
So golden part goes to the black thing.
Golden, I think golden goes to golden. Let's
No,
see.
gold goes to black. See
Black.
that? Yeah.
Okay. And there is a small lever here. Press this and put it in. Leave it. So it is holding it.
Yeah. Did you open that cap here?
So next step is we need to open this cap so air can bubble in a little bit.
So yeah, it shouldn't be like too much.
Too much, and press this bubble thing.
Yeah, he said like 1 or 2 times. It's fine.
Yeah, but this doesn't have any gas.
That's because of that.
No, this is line, entire line is empty, right? I don't know what this is. We have to figure out.
Oh, I think I know why. Maybe it can't because that's open. If you close it, then it creates a vacuum, pushes it up.
I don't know how many times that is.
No.
We vacuum, and it doesn't. The fuel doesn't come out. So you have to open it. Okay. This is not like airtight. Okay.
You got it?
I think so. I got it.
Alright, you wanna do the honors?
Okay. First time pulling the card.
Let's see if the engine explodes or not.
1, 2, 3. What?
First
try. It started without any issues.
Alright. Well, we gotta be careful here because it's like really shallow.
Why is this shaking?
It's supposed to be like that. Yeah.
They are not used to smoke.
I don't feel any.
Success. Let it run for a couple of minutes. Let's see. ABP.
Alright.
Fast.
First time using this. See how fast we're going? So we're going like really slow right now. But this was the average speed for our electric motor. Doing pretty well.
Yeah, I don't like the sound. It's too noisy. We are not used to the noise.
And it's
The smoke.
We'll get used to it.
You think it's happening against it?
Nah. Let's see. Shaking a lot. Our electric motor didn't shake before, so a little different. But we're still going way faster at slow speed.
Okay, let's check that. We used to go.
I guess, like around this speed. But we're going slow to this. Down was almost max speed.
Sand here, I don't want to go fast.
Yeah, we have to do a break-in, so we can't go max speed. Only like medium.
Let go.
See, look, our boat never created a wake. Alright, we just tried reverse and we're going back to the club.
Go away from.
Yep. We're going back to the clubhouse with this powerful motor beside us.